Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. In this episode, I have here a really quick unbox and review, also a how to put together this engine stand. So stay tuned. I really need a stand for my SR20 DET. I'm building fully forged and heavily modified. So let's get into it.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah.
Well guys, we are going to start now to put together this engine stand. The first thing you need to do is slide the iron wheel on this hub and use a washer, very important step. Put the locking clip and bend both ends.
You like a
And now it's just a matter of grab the front wheel, slide the threaded part on the hole in the leg and use a locking washer, then tighten the knot. Okay, we are now going to put these three parts together, and this is going to be like a metal sandwich. Okay guys, this particular board is 19 and I forget to tell you guys, and the front nut is 18. Well guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. I made the same video in Spanish and English. In case you see any videos on the notifications or on the suggestion on my channel, please go to my channel and look under videos. You can find each video the Spanish and on the top the English version, so you get the right language. Also, I'm going to leave a link on the description below to Amazon of this engine stand, also for the 4-leg style. And if you use any of those links, you are supporting my channel directly, because I get a little commission at no expenses to you. If you need to buy anything on Amazon, please use my link below, so you are going to be part of the growth of this channel. Thank you so much for that help. Also, leave a comment below and a thumbs up, and if you can, share my videos with your friends. share, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified. And remember, get your hands dirty and make it happen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.